Welcome back to another math video. So for today, we'll be looking on converting from improper to mixed and vice versa. So the first one is converting an improper fraction to a mixed number. Now to do this, first you have to divide the numerator by the denominator, then the quotient, whole number, and the remainder will be the new numerator while we keep the old denominator. So it's very simple. So let's go ahead with an example. So let's say we have this improper fraction right here, 20 over 3. And we want to write this as a mixed number. So we can rewrite this improper fraction as a division problem. So 20 divided by 3. And let's just do that over here. So 3 into 2 we can't. 3 into 20 goes 6 times 6, 3 is 18. 18 from 20 will leave 2. Right, so we have 6, we can get 6 wholes from the 20, and there's a remainder of 2. Therefore, our mixed number would be, so we have 6 wholes, and the remainder is 2, so the remainder will be our numerator. We write back our denominator, which is 3. So another way is to split up the improper fraction. So the highest multiple of 3 that is less than 20 is 18. So we can split up this 20 over 3 into 18 over 3 plus 2 over 3. So we simplify the 18 over 3, we'll get 6 plus the 2 over 3, and when we add these together, we get the 6 and 2/3. So that's 2 ways for us to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. Let's go with another example. So we have 98 over 15. We want to write this as an improper fraction. So we're going to write it as a division problem. So 98 divided by 15. And let's just do that over here. So 15 into 98 was 6 times. 6 times 15 gives us 90. 98 minus 90, we're left with 8. So the whole is 6, and our numerator, which is the remainder, is 8 over our whole denominator, which is 15. Our third example right here. So pause the video, attempt this question, and then resume when you are through. So it's the same as before. We're going to write this as a division problem. So 20 divided by 5. Now when we work this out, we realize that we get, so 5 can go into 20 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. The remainder is 0. So what would we do? We'd write 4. So we know that 4 is the whole number. But what would be the proper fraction? 0 over 5? So no, we would just write the 4. So the answer is 4 wholes. Our last example here is 55 over 12. And we can rewrite this as 55 divided by 12. And when we work this out, 12 into 55 goes 4 times. 4 times 12 is 48. 48 from 55 leaves 7. Therefore, our whole is 4. And our numerator is 7. So 7 is our remainder. And our denominator will be 12. Now let's look on converting a mixed number to an improper fraction. So it's pretty much just doing the reverse. So we multiply the denominator by the whole number, then add the product to the numerator. The result will become the numerator, and we put it over the denominator. So let's look at an example. So we have 4 and 2/3, and we want to write this as an improper fraction. So the first thing that we do is we multiply the denominator and the whole number. So we can write that as 4 times 3. And then we say we add the numerator, which is 2. And the answer will be over whatever the denominator is. So 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So 12 plus 2 over 3. And 12 plus 2 is 14. So it is 14 over 3. Our second example, we have 9 and 9 over 10. And I want to write this as an improper fraction. So we multiply 10 times 9, which gives us 90. And we're going to add the numerator to that. So we'll have 99 over 10. Our final example, we have 1 and 1/5. So we're going to multiply the whole number and the denominator together. So 1 times 5. And then we're going to add our numerator. So then we'll have 1 times 5 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 over 5. So that's it for converting improper fractions to mixed number and vice versa. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more educational content.